By 1914, Europe had witnessed the emergence of two distinct alliances as a result of prolonged political tensions. While France, the United Kingdom, and Russia formed the Triple Entente in response to the growing power of Germany, along with Austria-Hungary and Italy, established the Triple Alliance. However, the outbreak of a major war required only a triggering event. This event occurred on June 28, 1914, in Sarajevo. In the morning hours near the outbreak, there was an unusual activity at Dile Patisserie. Around 7:45, two men named Trichogram Bez and Danilo Insa entered the patisserie. They engaged in a deep conversation with the owner. Shortly after, another individual joined the group, and after ordering 3 slices of cake and a coffee, they sat at a table. At around 8 o'clock, a well-groomed man wearing a white shirt and a black jacket, reflecting the fashion of the time with a thin mustache and short hair, entered the patisserie. After scanning the interior, he headed towards the table where the 3 men were sitting. This 4th man was Gavrilo Princip, and within a few hours, he would assassinate Archduke Franz Ferdinand and his wife Sophie. Gavrilo Princip was born in 1894 in the village of Obilic near the Kosovo border, characterized by his unruly nature, leading to his expulsion from both military school and commercial high school. Princip, not enthusiastic about his education, noticed his friend's interest in politics. In 1914, the nationalist organization called the Black Hand in Bosnia, to which Gavrilo Princip belonged, had a perspective that did not accept the official incorporation of Bosnia into the Austro-Hungarian Empire. They aspired to the territories of the Austro-Hungarian Empire and the grand idea of a Greater Serbia. The primary goal of this organization was to disrupt the imperial routes without causing a disturbance and to realize the dream of Greater Serbia. By 1914, another Serbian nationalist organization named Karel, established for similar purposes, was supported by a team including Muhammad Mehmet Basic, Muskup Ludovic, and Svetozer Tefoko. This team, organizing a visit to Sarajevo by Archduke Franz Ferdinand, became a factor escalating tension to showcase both to Bosnians and Serbians. Eventually, the members of the organization united to plan an assassination against Franz Ferdinand. As part of this decision, a meeting took place where the assassination team, including Gavrilo Princip, gathered. The coordination and leadership of the team were attributed to Danilo Is. After obtaining weapons, bombs, and black-handled razors for suicide with the help of intelligence agents, the team positioned themselves along the Apelquay. During Archduke Franz Ferdinand's visit to Sarajevo on June 28, 1914, history changed with 2 gunshots fired by the assassin Gavrilo Princip. The first bullet hit the Archduke's neck, and the second hit the Duchess in the pelvic region. This assassination triggered events across Europe, leading to the outbreak of World War I. Following the Sarajevo assassination, other assassins were captured and brought to trial. Gavrilo Princip and the other assassins were tried between October 12th and 23rd, and since it was prohibited to impose sentences exceeding 20 years on suspects under 20, those under 20 received sentences ranging from 3 to 20 years. Gavrilo Princip died of tuberculosis in prison. The other assassins over the age of 20 were executed in 1915. The Sarajevo assassination, coupled with blaming Serbia, led to the invasion of Serbia by Austria-Hungary, followed by Germany declaring war on Russia, France, and the United Kingdom. Thus, on August 4, 1914, 3 fronts were opened in Europe, marking the beginning of World War I.